How to share your Netflix account with friends. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in today's video, I will simply show to you how you can share your Netflix account with your friends. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. So let's say that you recently purchased a new Netflix account. You don't want to watch it alone. You want to create some profiles and watch with friends. You can absolutely do that. But keep in mind that you cannot do this without sharing your password with them. So if you're being sensitive about whether you should share your password or not, you have to share your password. Though you'll be sharing the same account, you'll not be using the same profile. So whatever your friend is watching will not be able to affect you as a person and all of the viewing recommendations that you get on your own profile. One Netflix account can support up to 5 profiles. So you can share your Netflix profile with up to 5 friends and then watch them at the same time depending upon your own plan. For that, all you have to do is first of all open the Netflix app. Make sure that your friend also has a Netflix application. And let's say that you can see currently I have 3 profiles. I can create 2 more profiles and then share them with 2 of my more friends so that they can watch from some of their own profiles. So let's say I want to create a profile for my friend, right? After you open Netflix, just tap on the add profile option and then select the name of your friend, let's say for example. And then once you select a name for your friend, if you want to turn on kids profile, which means they should only be get recommended kids account, then you can just turn on this toggle or you can just turn it off. And then to save it, just tap on the save option. Now when you share your account with your friends can simply watch Netflix using this profile over here. They don't need to log into any of the other profiles. They can use their own profile. If you have one more friend, repeat the same process, create a new profile, and they can watch Netflix using the new profile instead of using the same old profile that you use for yourself. And this is simply how you can share your Netflix account with your friends. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.